Good morning, dear students. Economics is an easy subject. That's why it does not need any preconcepts. So, you have not studied it earlier. Here, you have to study all about economic activities of the village Palampur through a story. Economic activities means activities which are mainly carried on for earning money or something equivalent to it. Economics is the same, all about it. Here the village Palampur though is an imaginary village but is an ideal one. See here, I have drawn a line connecting Palampur village with another one, Raiganj. 3 kilometers is the distance between them, and at about same distance is one town, that is Shahpur. Here the road is all weather. All weather road means which is neither muddy nor dusty in rainy season and in summer season respectively. Means metalled roads, surfaced roads on which all sorts of vehicles can run. In that village there are many kinds of vehicles, some bullock carts, tongas, bogies are there. Villagers carry the village products to Shahpur town or to Raiganj village. In return, they carry some needful things for the village from there, and they run their errands. Though motorcycles, jeeps and tractors, trucks also are there in that village. The village comprises of 450 families. Out of them, 80 upper caste, which are richer and have hold over most of the land and live in brick and cemented houses. Some houses are big. 1/3 of 450, that is 150 families are there of SCs, of whom most of them live in mud houses. Rest 220 families are there other. There in the village, electricity is present from long and being used for irrigation. It is connected with tube wells which run to irrigate the land, and is also used for running some small scale manufacturing industries, and almost all houses are there connected with electricity, so is used for household purposes. And there are some schools and health centers which are also run for education. There are 2 centers, 2 primary schools and 1 high school. And for health facilities, there is one primary health center run by government and other one a private dispensary. Can't you say the village is an ideal one? Check what things are there available in your village. In next class, I'll discuss organization of production. Thank you, dear children. Have a blissful day.